Howdy ho, guys and gals. I'm Jeff King. Welcome back to the Den of Tools. And today we need to have a chat about Makita. In fact, let's come in here and talk really about Makita. I don't know whether they're insane or whether they're crazy brilliant, but they're doing some weird stuff over there. And I know we've all heard about it and stuff. We've all heard about the coffee maker. We know about the coffee maker. That's been around. It's a cordless coffee maker. It's a little ridiculous. It's kind of cool. All right. The e-bike thing, they came out with that a while ago. They were definitely ahead of the curve on that. The portable, the cordless power assist wheelbarrow in both configurations. It's a cool thing. We all know. We get it. The robotic vacuum, it's expensive, it's cool, it's a little chunky. It might decide to just run off and kill you and take over the planet. Who knows? But and the Stay Puft Marshmallow cooling jacket. I get the idea. I don't know. We need to have a conversation. Are they brilliant or have they jumped the shark? Because now they've got a cordless. Well, I keep wanting to call it a tea kettle, but basically it's a hot water kettle. Now, currently it is only directly available retail-wise over in Japan. This is from Makita Japan's website, I think. I don't speak Japanese, but I found it. And it's unique. It comes in multiple colors, of course. It's Makita. And you can have look at this. Looks like, what are they making ramen there? I don't know. That could be kind of tasty. I might be down for that actually, but it's a 36 volt because heating water, it takes a lot of power. So you're going to need 2 of your 18 volt batteries. So this actually falls into Makita's 36 volt line. Look, they're making ramen. They're making, I think that's coffee there. Wow, I could go for some really good ramen. The kettle looks pretty cool itself, just on its own. Looks like a pretty nifty little device. Anyway, I'll put a link to this page so you can take a look at it. But you can buy it currently on eBay right now. Somebody is selling this. I don't know who this is. GDSBT1 in Japan. I don't know what that means. $185.95. If you really need cordless hot water on your job site, I get it. Maybe this is the choice for you. I can't tell if Makita's brilliant or crazy or what. And just as a bonus item, I didn't realize this was out. But again, it's not something available in the States. They have a rechargeable cold and hot storage cooler heater that you can take with you as well. Runs on the 18 volt system. I'll put links to these things down below. Anyway, I just had to share that with you. I'm not sure what to think about this whole thing. Let me know what your thoughts are down below. Is Makita doing something cool? Do you want other tool companies to go this route and come out with this kind of weird, outlandish stuff? I know we often joke that we're waiting for Makita to come out with the cordless pizza oven. I think we'd all be excited about that. But it really, is this something we need? Part of me loves this, and part of me just thinks maybe focus on more tools. But Makita does have the largest selection of tools in that 18 volt. They go back and forth. They banter back and forth with Ryobi as to who has the biggest line. But maybe they've just run out of ideas. Anyway, that's all I got for you today. Just something fun, nothing too big or too serious. You all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.